to Frozen, Elsa and Anna. Oy, oh, Liam, look, oh. Train. Saan bang sakayan yan?
Oh, yun. That one, no?
Ano yan?
Yan, yung part yan ng Frozen. Eh.
Ah, okay. Uy, mag-picture tayo sa Arendelle. Northern Delights. Picture. Kahit nakagano na lang.
Ah.
Mainit eh. Kasi this is the one Golden Mix. Huwag mo na siya. Huwag mo siya inisin. Only daddy. Oo nga, ito na. Ito. Picture!
Naiinarte na yun.
Huwag mo akong inisin niya, ha?
Oh, dalawa na sila.
Let's go! O, kunin yung bag.
Sa heart. Din, tabi. Tabi lang yan. Magkatabi lang.
Dali na to.
Hindi na yan. Ganyan lang. Ah, ito na, ito na, ito na. Babalik ta rin mo lang. Yan. Yan.
Tubig.
Halika na. Halika na.
Mahaba ang pila, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Huwag naman sila may dala. Ay, ito pala. Entrance dito. Walang masyado. O baka banda doon. We're going to Frozen. We're going inside.
Scary roller coaster. Scary roller coaster.
Yan, dito nakatira si Elsa and Anna.
This is also, this is one. And then later, more scary.
Yang, did you know? Di ba you already watched Elsa and Anna? Dito sila sa castle. Dito. Did you hear me? So be quiet or else Anna will get mad and she'll turn us into ice. Tama ba, Anna? Elsa? Sino ba si Anna yung ice?
There, this one.
This is actually
Ay, Elsa pala.
Too dark.
I thought you're not scared. Oh. Oh my God.
How dark is this?
We're inside the castle of Elsa and Anna.
Yes.
Liam.
Look at that. Look at that kid. Look at that kid.
Why? Hey, Liam doon.
Oh, here kay daddy. Come on. Hold kay daddy.
Faster, Liam.
Here, Louie.
Sa pinili. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Yam! You're not looking at us. What's that? Is that your daddy?
Wait.
Ayun na. May nakaiwan ng cup. May nakaiwan ng cup. Why? Yam, sayang, dark.
Ayan na. Walking na.
Bakit? May nanglog.
Oo, muna. Halika na.
Ayun na. Malapit na tayo, Louie.
Ayan o. Ayan na. There you go.
Ba't parang nakabaliktad ko? Yam. Let's go. For the first time. Say hi, Liam. Say hi, Louie.